Alright guys, welcome back. We're in Montana. We
Hey
don't
guys.
know what we're about to do here. We found this place.
$50,000 silver dollars.
We're gonna head in here and we're gonna go check out what this place is all
Yeah,
about.
let's go see some things. I feel like I've stepped back into time.
We're in Montana.
Here we go. Oh wow.
This place is huge.
Onyx animals. Ah, it's an elephant. I've wanted one of these.
Yeah, they're cool.
Outdoor Boys has one of them.
Yeah, he does.
Oh my god, look at those accents. That is cool.
Bar and casino.
Oh look, Dave.
A knuckle duster.
Don't mess with me, man. Don't mess with me. Don't.
Nina's over here mucking about.
Slingshot bags. This is cool. Look, it's a really nifty one too. They have all kinds of.
There's a Highland cow. Let's go. No way. Bonnie on the toilet.
Russian roulette of bumper stickers. I'm not gonna look and I'm gonna pick one, and whichever one I pick, we have to buy and put it on the back of our car. If you're gonna burn our flag, wrap yourself in it first. USB powered, just in case we ever need a vacuum in our car. Or maybe we need a blender to blend something. Alright guys, so we are heading back into the car. Exit 16 on I-90. Highly recommend this place. There's so many random things, but I love those kinds of stores, so check it out. Also, the amount of monarch butterflies that are here, I wonder if you can see them. They're flying around everywhere here.
Alright guys, that's us back in the car. We're gonna hit the highway.
Hit the road, I-90, driving towards Bozeman. We're gonna try and find some dispersed camping spots. I think I found a good spot for us. Doesn't look like there's cell service, of course, but you know how it is, so
That's
see
the way
you there.
of this life.
That's the way of this life, totally. Alright guys, you do not understand what just happened to us. We got to our place finally after driving for 4 hours, maybe more. 6 hours, 7 hours, and there is a fire ant nest for sure on that campsite. We now have to move again. We don't know.
Made a rookie mistake. We set up, then realized that they were there.
Yeah,
Rookie mistake.
Rookie mistake. Always check for ants. Always check to make sure that there aren't any weird things around the campsite before you get excited and set up. It was such a nice spot right on the river, but in retrospect it was the only one that was available out of the 6 that we saw, so maybe that means that everyone else saw the ants and moved away. But anyways, we just have to keep on trucking, keeping spirits high no matter what. We're gonna go across the street. Luckily there's another campsite. Let's hope that there aren't any ants over there and we can just set up and call this day over. So let's see. Wish us luck, guys. Good morning.
Morning.
We are headed to Bozeman, Montana. We're gonna check it out. We're staying just outside of it, maybe 20 miles away. And so we're gonna go walk around in the town today, gonna do some errands, and then tomorrow we're gonna spend the day in Yellowstone. We are so excited. So,
We're about 100 miles away, so we're gonna have to get up early,
yes.
drive there to get there at 6. These roads here are 70 miles an hour, so get there in no time.
Yeah, we're happy. We love some speed in our life.
Yeah, me too.
All right, guys, come along for the ride. We'll see you there.
Alright guys, we're at Duds and Suds.
Duds and Suds in Bozeman, Montana. This is like the nicest laundry / car wash we've been to. The laundry is so nice. There's Wi-Fi, there's people working there, there's a car wash that you can use.
Yeah, this is brilliant. So let's get to washing the car right now. We've already got our washing in the washer. Let's go. The guy even supplies some microfiber so you can dry your car off.
Yeah, this place, look at it, Duds and Suds. I would come here if you're ever in Bozeman and need to do laundry and wash your car. Love it. Ruby's gotten a nice little facelift. She's looking great and happy. All right guys, so I'm gonna get us a little treat today and we're gonna go to Wild Crumb Bakery. Apparently it's one of the best bakeries in town. Let's just go see, maybe we get a coffee,
Nice,
maybe we
a
get a
little
little
surprise.
croissant, you know, something a little special for us. So
A little treat.
let's do it.
Alright, we went and get ourselves a cold brew or an iced coffee in some places you call it, but it's a nice hot day, so a cold brew is better than a Americano, that's for sure.
Ooh, good.
Americano's a bit hot for today.
We're at Tree Line. Tree Line Coffee.
I'm good, how are you? Nice looking stuff in here.
We got some good treats. We went to Wild Crumb. This is an apple peach candied croissant, and that is a tomato basil pesto
Arrangement.
Brioche bun.
Yeah.
Here we go.
But we're gonna have this, see what it's like.
I'm gonna go in for the sweets first.
Sweets first?
I can't
That's
resist.
crazy.
Wow. Oh my god. I am in my happy place. You can really feel the cinnamon and the peach. Highly recommend. All right, next we got this brioche salty thing. The tomato really pops, and it's not dry at all. Really good brioche. Wow. 10 out of 10, recommend this place.
Alright, we're downtown Bozeman on the main street. We're in a shop right now. We're just gonna see what's on this street. But for right now, we're in some sort of backpacking place. It's pretty cool.
So an insider's hack, when you go, if you need new recipe ideas and you're in a store that has recipe books for camping, maybe you take a peek at it, maybe you get some inspiration. You don't have to buy it, just, you know, get some inspo. This is a great brunch spot. I've never actually been here, but the food looks great.
What's
you
it called?
Just gotta jam.
Jam. We want some jam in it.
It suits you. Oh my god. Why aren't you walking around with your cowboy hat, Dave?
I should have.
You really should have. You should have it on.
I do have one of these.
I like these winter ones. I know. Damn.
This one's a little bit too small. So we're going down to the vintage section. Let's go. You'd be able to pull off a hat? Let's see.
Well, not the hat.
Let's see you.
Yeehaw.
Yeehaw!
How do you cowboy?
Do you know the cowgirl? Alright, let's head out of here.
Oh, this is a German restaurant.
Alright, we found a vinyl shop. Dina loves a vinyl, so let's go see what we can see up here. Alright guys, Dina just spent 20 minutes in a mystic shop, so I'm beat. We're back in the car now. We're gonna head to where? I need to go get propane. That's what I need to do. What do you need to do?
I guess we need shopping after this.
Propane and shopping. Let's go. Alright, we're heading shopping. We're heading into a Winco Foods.
We've never been to a Winco.
Hey, Winco.
Is that like a Western thing?
Western Wincos?
Northwest thing?
Western Wincos?
Winco, what?
Winco Westerns?
Winco
I don't know.
Foods.
Let's go in here and check it out. I don't know why, but I always seem to get the trolleys that do something like this. Here's Dina putting some deep thought into this.
This is hard. We don't go shopping often, and
Dina, we go shopping all the time. What are you talking about? We're constantly shopping. I hate shopping.
I think we don't.
Shopping's my favorite. I love it.
Shopping is amazing.
Alright guys, if you are in a hot place like this, remember, get yourself a Yeti. It's going to help you on the travels back home with all of your frozen material, so you can get it all back into the fridge. And if you go into a Winco, you're not allowed to use a credit card. So remember and take your debit card in there, or a checkbook, whatever you want.
And they don't have Apple Pay.
Otherwise, you're going to be running out the door like a maniac. Ask me how I know. So just remember that. Alright guys, today a little bit of change of plan. Dina set her alarm clock for 3 p.m. not 3 a.m. We were going to go to Yellowstone this morning, but we decided we woke up too late. So we're here at Ennis Lake today. That's what we're doing. But it's pretty cool here. We're going to do a bit of swimming and just have a relaxing day.
All right, guys, thanks for joining us as we explored Bozeman, Montana. You can find all of the information on the things that we did in the links and descriptions below. Thanks for coming along for the ride, and remember to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos.